Welcome every single one of you to the New York live session. For those who didn't see what happened there, well, that was a whoopsie. Cheers. I don't know if I forget to take off the microphone. What happened to my hair today, people? Like, gee whiz. Oh yeah. All right. Welcome everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day as well. I hope you're having profits. Am I in profit? No. I sold the Eurodollar at the Central and I currently lost. So that is that one. What else? We have Harold coming in. We have Shuran. We have Eivindfx. We have Zelda. Woohoo! The other question that I have for you guys today is: are you notified by YouTube that I am live? If you are not notified by the YouTube algorithm, let me see if I can find one for you. You have to go to that person's, and then you have to add this bell here, and then press all. Now we're gonna get all notifications on Eivindfx. So yeah, great. That was that one. And then you're going higher at the moment. Pound yen. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's see what we can go through today. Alright, mate. Let me just check that music down on my ears. I don't want it. So yeah, Isan says it popped up on your notifications. Lee Fryer says, "Sup everyone," and I can zup you back. Okay, good. Next thing on the paper is dollar. Dollar is currently falling. Okay, cool. The 10-year T-Note is a bit bullish today. Okay. S&P hasn't opened up yet, I guess, so it's opening up soon. Okay. Aussie is maybe making a reversal this morning. Maybe. As always, it can come down to can come down to this M2 and then rise, and then it depends on what it does at M3. So if you are a bull on Aussie, you are tempted to buy it. You still don't have confirmation on 1 hour to buy it though, but maybe after a small higher high today, you can think of it. But if you are a seller, don't worry, you have resistance and you have resistance. Don't worry. Who are here? Notifications is there, but it's slow. Mr. Harold sold Aussie New Zealand, and we can go to Aussie New Zealand. So, what kind of the premises for today? The premises for today is we're looking for dollar bullishness, yen bearishness. We are looking for a stock market to go higher. We are expecting Tesla to have one heck of a ride today. So, I'm having a side eye on Musk today. And I don't know if Tesla's opened up yet. Soon, maybe. But Tesla is there. Yeah, okay, we have a gap there that is also nice. That is a gap of 4% down. Tja, not too bad, Tesla. Not too bad. The question is it going to go higher or is it going to go lower? That is the big question. And then I'm just going to go to settings at the moment on my part. 1080, cool, we have 1080p, woohoo! Good on us there. Aussie, New Zealand, since you are a YouTube member. And I've gone through my analytics. I haven't shown, by the way. But actually, we are at this moment, before I went live, 15 YouTube members. So just want to appreciate every single one of you, especially you, Harold. Because you're here. But yeah, 15 YouTube members. I wasn't thinking that when how this all started was somebody said, how can we support your channel? And I'm like, I don't know. Somebody said there was YouTube members. I didn't know. So there you go. And okay, all right, mate. So somebody sold Aussie New Zealand. Sounds like the best trade of today. Aussie is weak. New Zealand is super duper 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 strong. So yeah, cheers, mate. Happy coffee. Do you know what my wife called my coffee today? She called it a mud. She called mud in a cup. I don't know what Africans or Kenyans or whatever think about mud, but I think this is coffee. So we had some new people there today. New people to yesterday. You only get notifications sometimes. Okay, interesting. But yeah, cool. Aussie. Look there. Start there. Start. If you want to buy Aussie, by all means, I guess. But there is a new thing here today. There's a currency strength meter today. And if we go to like, if you go to this one and choose a watch list and then go to majors and then you choose Aussie dollar, here you can look for trend, for example, on, I will give you the link later, I guess. But it say the trend is bearish. All the simple moving averages, except for 50 and 100, is bearish. That was simple. The exponential, almost all of them are bearish. The strength short term is bearish. Bearish, but not necessarily weakening. And then the medium term is bullish and the long term is bearish. So that is the technical sides of things, I guess. So even though Aussie today is rising, yeah, okay. Maybe. So, oops, that was not the one. Okay, we're going higher. Woohoo! Good. Yeah, we were supposed to talk about that. The reason why I put that, I'm supposed to take it away. I'm supposed to stop it. But this is like my drug. So, what I wanted to say was, I asked a question today in the Discord channel, and I know it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really impact anything. But I just want to ask, how should we celebrate 5,000 subscribers? And you're thinking, well, would it ever happen? Yes, it's going to happen. Within Tuesday or Wednesday, that's going to happen. So, is there anything out there that you're thinking, man, that was a good celebration? You know, it's just like a birthday. So, it was a good celebration. I've heard about people saying, oh, should have, no, I saw one guy saying $5,000 giveaway, or shillings, that's probably better because it's just $50. So we can give away 5,000, but it's probably not shillings, not dollars. Also because it's above the gifting limits, at least. Keep comedy cake. Yeah. Yeah. So I saw that in the analytics. Anyhow. So Aussie is going a bit higher today. Not that matter to anyone, to anything, or at all. So that is great. So cool, but it's potentially going to go lower. Euro is also trying to go a bit higher today, this morning. We are still below 1590, so I'm still very chilled. I do understand this might be a fake out, by the way. So, but yeah, you don't have a bullish trend at the moment on euro. So if you want to buy it, you are buying. What can we say? A range. Ali says to let buy Aussie. Do you want to be given a? So somebody said, I don't know who it is. I'm gonna out that person. I'm gonna find that person who said it. In my Navman, I think it was Navman who said that why did pound just skyrocket, and that was on that candle there. I don't know, mate. It was a 20 pip move, not a skyrocket move. Now it's moving a bit harder and a bit stronger. Okay, I understand that. Has it reversed? Not yet. Is there a reversal there? Yeah, I guess. So now is the time you're thinking, well, am I buying it? Well, if you have seen the same kind of setups previously, we have still fallen down. So it's still pretty risky. But no, that is not a skyrocketing move. you need to either get out of small time frames. This is way normal. This is probably a big fall. This was the Bank of England meeting, but yeah, take a chill pill, okay? I don't like skyrocketing. I don't like crashing. Such words are not in my community. The reason why I'm outing you publicly here is, actually, I don't know why I did it. I'm sorry. If you feel hurt, that's my point. My point is, we are one big family. We speak truth to each other, and the truth in this case is that it's not a strong move. That is just basically just trying to go higher before it can continue to fall tomorrow. Okay, cool, good. So Ali says we should do a giveaway. Okay. I guess someone can get somebody can get some of my money. What about to the moon? There's no moon today, so there is a head and shoulders. Yes, I see that, but it's still a very low time frame situation. We're still bearish on the 4 hour. 1 hour reversals are not necessarily always the best, and you at least need to break higher than. At least need to have 55 above the 21, at least minimally. And then we shall see what happens next. Bug. Yeah, also, another way, I gave away, the reason why I'm not talking about mentorship here, people, is I've given away a mentorship before. And I'm not going to mention the person's name because some of you know. But that was probably the worst idea I've ever had. It backfired so immensely that you won't know. And maybe I just chose, the randomness just chose the wrong person, wrong personality. It wasn't grateful whatsoever. Oh yeah, Xavier. That is in my vocabulary, yes, it's true. Sorry, mate. But yeah, that backfired so badly to such an ungrateful person that I don't know, people. Should we really do that anymore? Giveaways is coming from such a heartfelt place, and then you're just gonna get kicked back. Tja, I don't know. Okay, cool. Good. And what about New Zealand USD CAD, mate? Also, that is a trading plan there, bro. So, sure. You got your entry if you wanted to. So, yeah, you're just waiting for it to go higher. So, that's kind of the thing. Keep calm and eat cake. And it was random. And I don't know if Xavier or I don't know if Ali needs it, by the way. Do you need mentorship, Ali? Ojo, do you need mentorship? William, Calvin, SlyFX. SlyFX is really around though, but yeah, who knows? Or we can just do it. I don't know. I don't want you to buy things either for me, like giving you a discount. That's probably the worst thing I can do. So, New Zealand. What's going on here, bro? We are having an unprecedented bullishness today. I didn't see that one coming. So there's some profits there if you're a dollar bear, New Zealand bull. I still see this as a range to bearishness. Maybe another range here. So even though if there is losses here in New Zealand, okay, cool. There's nothing to cry about there. If you're thinking of buying it, maybe there was a buy this morning. Maybe there was a buy at London Open. Those are in profit, but I don't know if that is technically how we should be trading. So if I put a demand zone here, I mean, like, well, that's what we're supposed to be buying. We don't know that in advance, right? So at the moment, it's kind of like, well, adios amigos, I guess. And we shall pick it back up tomorrow, pick it back another day. Selva says, you're still waiting for that moving average video. Okay? So, Selva, since... probably this is probably the worst idea I've ever had today, but, where is it? Open a new... Oh, I can't even do that. Okay, so, cool. So, I can go there, and I will go... Nope. And then I'll go there, and I'll go to that one. What happens then? I was not supposed to do that. That is kind of my fault. And then I'm going back to the live stream again. There we go. Good. And then up there. Is that a YouTube video that I have posted, maybe? And then I expect to find Selva here. Thank you, Kartik. Selva, you didn't comment on the last one. So, there's a mutuality here. Well, I don't know if you saw the other one. Selva. I don't know if you saw the other one. Yeah. Hello, Freddy. Hello, Freddy. How are you today? Any losses today? Any profits today? Sorry. There's always room for improvement. I don't think anyone should turn down mentorship. Yeah, but Ali is really doing well. A mug. Maybe we should do a mug. Why do I say mug? It's because I'm following a guy on YouTube called Let's Dig. And he's from, like, I guess, Louisiana. And he just digs around. And then he says, mud. But anyways, sorry about that. So, euro dollar. Still bearish. Still okay. Pound. Still, if you want to buy it, so go ahead and have fun. I can't make you do anything whatsoever. If you're thinking this is good support, please come and tell me that you made profits, and I will be happy to add some of my profits to your profits if you make profits on this one. Okay, cool, good. And yeah, sure. So Ojo says smiley face. Okay, cool. I guess New Zealand dollar going higher, USD CAD going higher, Euro New Zealand. That is a reference to Gabriel Iglesias, a comedian from Mexico. American, by the way. Hispanic. So, that was supposed to happen. That didn't happen. Sorry, James. Stop loss. Wait for a new day. Habariyako says Muhammad. I say Mazurizana? I forgot what I was to say. Governor Bailey of BOE is speaking soon. Bank of England is speaking soon. Okay. So maybe that's what they are hoping for. Aussie yen, sorry. What is happening here, brothers and sisters and ladies and gentlemen? Nothing. So, it can break higher, it can break lower, it can be demand, it can be supply, it can be whatever you want it to be. So, right now, this is kind of the supply zone. I guess that's what you guys call it out there. And then, I'm just waiting for that to be hit before falling. The other one is, if we break lower, then this becomes the resistance again. But until then, we are kind of like stuck and be like, boom, question mark. Selva, you didn't answer my question. Oh, Selva, please come back. And then CAD yen, same situation, probably bearish here. Not really much to see. The supply zone, supply zone, I guess I would call it out there. So yeah, very sad day of the market, I guess. Euro yen hasn't really made a higher high today. So I want this to rise, generally speaking, but I don't have it at all. What I want to see, anyways. So new emails coming in. Okay, cool. Was there someone I was supposed to respond to on emails? Anyone? No. Okay. Cool. So, oil. Just for the fun of it. So, oil, okay? I said yesterday I was uncertain about this one, I believe it was supposed to be. And then the next thing here is, what do we do now? I guess Mr. Ali is thinking, oh, there should be a bit of buy zone. We should buy. Okay, I can go to daily. That is the buy zone, and no, we did not hit that one. Is that a buy? Sure, I guess, but if you see the volatility lately, that pullback there is very little. So I'm not sure if I'm able to even get there, but sure. So what I'm looking into today is I sold euro dollar this morning at around central. I think I told it to most of the people out there. I was supposed to go to weekly. Bloody idiot. Okay, we're not going to change, are we? Okay, there we are. Good, fair enough. So I sold that. Okay, we have breached that one. Now we're going to sell 1580 area somewhere. Ojo says, I'm risk for next week, since the Fed is tapering in mid-November. I'm just waiting for bulls rally on the yen pairs as they might front run on macro. Okay, donkey. So first of all, sometimes I'm just full of absolute jokes. I'm sorry. Yen has still not broken higher, but it seems to be the moving theme. But I was a bit worried about when I saw the news yesterday about a stimulus package of 500 whatever billion Japanese yen or whatever it was. Stimulus packages normally makes a currency weaker. Okay. So I just don't want to mention that for you guys first of all. And then the other thing that I also want to mention here is that the stimulus package or the infrastructure package yesterday is also a reason for why the dollar can fall. But I believe I would we have been talking about that since December 2020. If the market doesn't price that in like a million years ago, we have known the money for so long, and like now it's maybe being put into law. And yeah, so it's like a bazillion years ago we first knew about that, were thinking about that, and now they are thinking of implementing it. Okie dokie. Slyfx asks, is there a reason for why New Zealand is so strong today? I do not know. Selva, where are you? Come here. Where have you been? Where have you been at? What did I say? Yeah, I said, yeah, you didn't comment on my other strategy video. Now you want a new strategy video. Oh no. Don't come here and tell me about that. You gotta do your duty, bro. You gotta do your duty. Whatever that is. I don't know why I went so Afro-American at the moment, but I think I've seen, for those who have seen Medina, whatever that man is called, over the weekend. Very old stuff, by the way. But yeah, I think it's called. Is it called Medina? I don't know, something. Nope. Probably not that one. Nope. Okay, then we go for comedian. Still not the right word. Medina? I don't know if that's one even. Okay, I can't find her at the moment, or him or her, or whatever. whatever. So I'm going back to my 2 seconds sneezing. Sorry, I told you. I'm seeing as good things to long-term buy in Aussie New Zealand. What do you think? Sid here. Hello, Sid. Wrong pair, I guess. I would sell so far, at least short-term, Aussie New Zealand, because there is a divergence in fundamental reasons here. Aussie fundamentally at the moment is dovish, meaning they are looking to decrease interest rates. They are having very low interest rates. They're not increasing interest rates anytime soon. They are supporting the economy. For New Zealand, on the other hand, are having a hawkish. Medea. Is it Medea? Yeah, here, Miss Denise, sorry, is coming in and saved me. Yeah. For those who's wondering what I'm looking at this weekend, over the weekend, yeah, I'm not gonna watch it for you, but she is funny, and my wife was she was rolling in the sofa when she was watching it. So yeah, that one, and then the other comedy thing I want you guys to see is yeah, this guy too. He's also funny. He is funny as yeah. Damn. So the other thing to mention is the other thing that I find so super funny lately is Jeff Dunham went to Saudi Arabia with Ahmed, the dead terrorist. That is the funniest sketch, or because they have such a sense of humor. Of course, we all know the Cubans. They watch Jeff Dunham anyway, so they know a lot about who he is and all that thing. So it's a perfect match. But it's just that stereotypic that he's able to play off because he's such a setting where everyone, or at least the front row, is covered in this white, not brothel, white cloth. I don't know what it calls even. I guess it's some nice words for that one too. And then yeah, so it's just so stereotypically funny that I am rolling in the deep. I'm just rolling. They're both very funny, yeah. So, Sid, Harold says, is USSR trying to reverse north yet? We can look at in just looking at net, guys. Okay, it's falling a bit now. Okay. I guess. Heartache, are you selling it? Yeah, not really great. Not really great, I would say. I just need to double check on my euro. I don't know why I'm so peaky at the moment. Okay, still green. Is a good reversal there? Maybe a small reversal, but I want it to go higher than 15.06, I guess, like this high, and then up again, and then like that. Like that. So still waiting. Discharge. If you want funny, just watch Elon Musk press interviews. Well, I guess that's the Marcus version. And I saw Billions the other day, and my wife is watching all those series, and I'm actually pretty disappointed because it is just drama. Like, why? Like, finally, there's a financial series that is very popular, very funny, very interesting, but you never see any charts. It's just psychology, it's just drama, it's just human interactions, and I have enough drama in life. I don't need to watch drama on TV too. So for me, it's like, help me, Jesus. Because I've already watched my fair share of Wendy Williams and whatever gossip slandering YouTube's channels out there. Fed up. And I was so disappointed in Billions. I thought it was going to be funny. Like showing nice, nice strategies, seeing how the chart developed, how they can point every single time that it did well, and all those things. Yeah. Harold, I'm just seeing your Discord comment right now. Sorry. Anyways, people, that is me out there. So, where are we? Dollar bullishness, not at the moment. Aussie dollar, not really bullish. If you're thinking that that dollar strength should happen. Euro dollar is currently rising. We're still below 1590. We still don't have any. Okay, we have a cross now, maybe, but that has happened before, so that's not necessarily an indicative of anything at all. So I think you need to be like, I don't know, break out like here before you can start buying euro, by the way. So, ciao, 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 I guess. Oh, there's music in the background. I didn't know. So yeah, sure, I guess. So, still bearish there. Yeah, and then what else did you want to see the other day? Not love movie, but like, okay, yeah. Billions, insider trading, leveraged over people. Yeah. Yeah, there's also psychology with that woman trying to be the psychologist, though. But on the other hand, yeah, but it's also that thing with X and the public prosecutor. That is the drama side of it, and I guess that's supposed to be the fun side of it. And whatever's happening in their life, both, where they're spying out the other people's name or street or whatever it was they bought out. So, yeah, it's... Yeah, so, markets. Okay. Is this generally a setup that you're thinking, fantastic? No, not really. So... And also, it's coming down to the 100 EMA, I think it is. So it's still like it's subdued. So if this is supposed to go higher, we are supposed to make higher highs and higher lows, and that's when you start buying, right? And CAD yen, a lower low. So this is still very much a sell point, more than anything else. Euro yen, coming on up to selling points more than anything else. Maybe yen gets weaker and everything is just amazingly weak. But yeah, and then New Zealand has its own life today. Could you cash out? Could you cash in on New Zealand strength? The thing is, ladies and gentlemen, today, New Zealand is the only one strongest today. And then pound, maybe. Okay? So, it's not an Aussie strength, it's not a Euro strength, it's not a pound strength, it's New Zealand strength. So, commodities in itself is very blah. Then, and also CAD is very weak. But on the risk side of it, where dollar, yen, and Swiss is all weak, it's a one pair off type of situation. And when New Zealand stops being this strong, everything just falls. And yeah, so yeah. I guess that's that. Then, next one. Pound Swissy. Ciao, we can always do that. Oh. Ay. That's nice. So, still bearish, coming up to resistance. If you're thinking bullish, you're thinking that one tomorrow. Or some kind of pullback at some point, at least. And yeah, there we go. And then we shall see if we break higher or not. But maybe that's what you're thinking if you're buying it. But by the way, by all means, this is no trading advice whatsoever. And by all means, this is still bearish at this moment. No matter how hard it rises, it's still bearish at this moment. Because what I'm thinking about today is that we can rise fast up here and then fall back down again. So yeah. Good. Now, I just want to say to you guys that euro is still rising. Still not bearish. Pound. Okay, let's play with pound then. How is your psychology going here? So now, man, you said that pound is skyrocketing on. I don't know which time frame you saw that one on. So how do you plan this one out? Okay, how do you get in such a move like this one? Let's look into the secrets of pound dollar. Okay, so first of all, for you to be like, let's buy this thing, you need to have some kind of pullbacks, right? So that will come in the end. So if you have like a very strong pullback, you still need to have that to happen. That hasn't happened yet. And when you are in a bearish trend, you can still see that we can still go up to almost a higher high. We can also break twice here and still fall down, okay? Now, let me put up a different situation here for you. Let's see that's a head and shoulders. That's a reversal pattern. We all understand that. Higher high. Okie dokie. You need a pullback. That is the most aggressive pullback is out there to buy. Then you need to challenge this high. Then you need to have a pullback. And now we start talking. But now you're up here buying here and your stop loss is probably down here. That is way higher than here. But in this situation here, you are most likely to lose by now. Yeah, I'm still holding euro if it didn't hit my stop loss. So yeah, still holding euro. I can double check though. But okay. So if you're thinking of buying it, let me double check my phone here, so we can get some internet as well. Great. Internet. Good on that one. And then we go to my trading terminal. Yeah, I'm getting something here. I'm also getting greens. So I have an order at Aussie apparently. At what price? 74.18. That's a bit low. Probably need to adjust that one. Up to at least 31 minimally, bro. Modify, and then what did I say? 31-ish? 31. Okay, cool. Yeah. Just in case this goes absolutely bananas higher. Then I have that one, and then just double checking that one as well. Yeah. I think there's a much better sell price though, because right now it's a bit low. So the other one here is that we then can go all the way up to 74.65 and still be a sell. So yeah, I will look into that if I should actually add it at M3 instead. But yeah, I will see. Still holding euro? Yes, still holding euro. Do you have a price action course? Nope. I don't have price action course. I have price action in my courses, but it's not a price action course pricing. G is too light to buy at this moment. But Ali, I'm also trying to point out here that pound is not a buying opportunity. If you are supposed to have consistent profits in consistent markets, you are supposed to have consistent trading setups. And if you are thinking that right now, well, it has gone higher previously at the same support, I agree. But also, you then need to have some kind of reversal. So this is probably where you could have bought that week. But also, we have M3 coming up at clear as the sky is clear, or resistance there. So even though we have a pullback right now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to continue having a pullback tomorrow, because we haven't really been testing the sell sides of it. We're just testing the buy side of it. Is there any news on the pound that can cause this to spike up? Mr. Harold said that we have some. The Fed governor, not the Fed, the Bank of England governor is going to talk today. So when is he talking? He is talking. Bailey is talking at 8 p.m. today. That is in 4 hours from now, give or take. Yeah, not 4 hours from. Yeah, 4 hours from now. So he's not moving the market yet, but maybe Harold knows something else that he's not on this calendar though. But yeah, 5 p.m. GMT. So yeah, in 4 hours. Right. I'm only trying to promote not safe, logical, systematic, analytical trading setups that will work most of the times. And I know pound as much as you know pound, that pound can do absolute terrible things to your account. Bailey is really unreliable right now. More market jitters. So, for those who's not kept up with Bailey, who's the governor of Bank of England, and what he has said. So he came out, I think it was like a week or 2 weeks before the Fed meeting, before the Bank of England meeting, and he says that the market is ready. At least how I interpret it, the market is ready for a rate hike. They're ready for a rate hike. And that is the clearest thing. Bank of England ready for rate hike. It's the clearest thing I've seen. Yeah, so it was just ridiculous, right? So since they didn't, because as you see the editorial, The Guardian says that he was talking himself into rate hikes, and they didn't do it. Like, oh my, yeah. I almost want him to be sacked for being so irresponsible. Because what happened at the actual votes was only 2 people voted for a rate hike. 2 out of 8, I think it is. And it's just such a back hole. What do you call it in military terms when you're having an ambush? Such an ambush on the market, and then market respond by going lower. So there was some sells off, and I guess what has happened right now is that we are priced in where this was the pricing in of the meeting, and then the meeting happened, and then no. So yeah. My man, work commitments have been keeping me from your streams. Tabongo Mayo. I hope my streams are available for you whenever you do. There is one guy here that watches my streams at midnight and 2 a.m. You do not need to be at my lives, but there is a thing on YouTube that some of you guys know where it is, but not everyone knows what it is. It's this comment section here, okay? So Mr. Harold had a good comment yesterday, but if you go to the comment section, I will respond. and I have responded to almost every single one of those comments posted on the weekly forecast from yesterday. So if you have any questions, if anything uncertain, if there's anything I can do to help you, I will be happy to help you. Surayet Mundal says, "Hi Evan, can you please give some analysis on New Zealand dollar? Will it go up or will it go down? Have you any positions there, Mr. Mundal?" So yeah, so you being at work for me is not really a reason for not looking into my videos, and you can just scroll through them. The other thing is, I will be happy to respond to any comments, and if you ask me in Discord and say, "Hey, what's the highlight of the stream or something," I can probably make it on in a general speaking sometimes, not of course every time, but I tend to highlight at least at the beginning of the video or the end of the video what is kind of the takeaways from today. You have sell positions, okay? Do you have a stop loss? You took a sell at 71.50, good sell entry. Technically, though, you don't have a reversal, so that's kind of sad. But okay, well. Also, you took it. You did what you did. Yeah, a lot of people have said sack him, and I'm really gonna jump onto that train as well, Harold. Yeah, no, it's okay. Cool, great. I also think that New Zealand was supposed to fall today, but I'm apparently wrong as a dog today. So yeah, Euro was supposed to fall too, so probably wrong about that dog too. So yeah, but a dollar was supposed to rise today, falling. So I guess I was wrong about that dog too. But no, just having fun here. New Zealand, I don't know why it's rising so hard. I don't know if the market is pricing in another rate hike and the fall has just been whatever, or there has coming out some market news. Well, by the way, yes, I do remember something. The unemployment rate in New Zealand was spectacularly better than expected. So I think what is happening right now is just a delayed response to that. And maybe that's why it's going to go higher. So if that is the case, that we are pricing in the higher unemployment rate, or the lower employment rate, the better labor market situation, I will probably myself think, well, since it's so strong, I'm not going to be in its pace. If it goes above, 71.80, I'll be like, I'm getting out of here. If it falls down again, then sure, have fun with it. It's sad about that. But I'll mostly entice to cut losses and see if we can get a better bearish trend, because there's 100% retrace at the moment, which is not what you want in any kind of sell position or any other position. You don't want 100% retracement. Now it can fall from here, but you are less likely. Yeah, sure. So what I would do, I would consider taking a loss and wait for it to return. Watch it like a dog at every market opens and see if it's reversed down then. If not, yeah. But yeah, good trading there, mister. Xavier says, give him the sack while you're at it. No. Xavier, you know what? Xavier, we are not sacking Ola. Just no. We're not sacking Ola. No. Don't even think about it. Yeah. So all the Feds are speaking today, so dollar might go up then. I guess it can go up and down. For forever they are going to talk about. But yeah, still on euro dollar, generally speaking, sorry, that was the wrong one. Generally speaking, on euro dollar, we're still bearish. So why am I doing New Zealand? I'm doing euro. There you go. So we still have, we still haven't made a higher high yet. So Hakuna Matata, what a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata, we're all passing craze. I guess I've been too long in Africa. I know. But yeah, so yeah, the New Zealand part today is like, where did that strength come out of? Like, it's, yeah, so I guess. But could you have taken it? Maybe if you're awake for that candle there. But other than that, no. The Norwegian bias, I see. Yeah, Xavier, yes. The Norwegian bias. So if you want to get me triggered today, I will be triggered, okay? I will trigger you. And then the other thing, we need to look into our investments in Tesla as well today, since Musk has been out there having fun. So Tesla pre-market says somewhere around 116. That is a fall of 7% now. 4%, sorry. What does it say? 7. No, okay. So 4.45% down. 4.55% down. Okay, cool. I guess it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. But okay. The other one is FB or Meta, whatever they call themselves nowadays. They're higher, and then we have Apple. I'm just going through what I believe you guys are invested in, which is probably what you should be doing, anyways. Apple, Facebook. What the other one is called? It's not Google. Called Alphabet, by the way. Yeah, all of us are higher. So I said, for the entire life of me, October is the low. Okay? October is the low. Okay? October is the low. Ish. Tesla, October is the low. So, you have fun with me, okay? Bada beam, bada boom. Hello, Siva. Denise says all of the US changed time except Arizona. So, if you are with me and you're wondering, but Evan, we're trading Forex, we don't do stock market. I know most of you guys doesn't even care, but okay. I'm going to talk about some stocks now, and you guys may be falling off and... But here we are, okay? If you listen to my opinion, you should be in profits on Tesla, Facebook, Google, Apple, because I said so. So don't come to me and say this channel is a losing channel. We're just fooling people and nobody's making money in this here. If you did this in the back room, I told you to look for a bullish trend. I looked for a reversal in October. Look for when it goes higher. Then at least there should be some profits there. And on Tesla, well, 46%. What else do you want from me? All right. That is how we are in this group. We are profit machines. Overall, in the end, might not every day, but yeah. So have fun, bros. Have fun. So if you're thinking, well, am I going to dip into the stock market? Sure. I've been talking about S&P 500 every single day, I feel like. Nasdaq is another one. So this is S&P. That is another one that you should be able to get some 9% on. Nasdaq, October is the low. October is there, and then that is 12%. US 30. I'm just raking in all the profits that you should have, and then I can start quoting you guys how much you're how much I expect you to have. 6.8% there. Bitcoin, bottom in October. Tja, that's a bottom here too, but mid October. Not really great though, but okay, cool. Mid October, guess 21% higher. Yeah. Tja. UK 10. That's a good bottom as well. OBX. That's a good bottom. Ooh, no, that's the wrong one here. October. So mid-October then, I guess. That is 6% there. So if you're struggling trading, I think we have something to do on. I think we need to do something in the back room here. Maybe I should add that to my mentorship where I'm like talking about also about my stock portfolio. Lovely, huh? Lovely. It's nice. It's nice investing, isn't it? It's nice. And then FTSE. Tja. That was a good bottom as well. So, yeah. Are you still not profitable? Still not profitable? Please contact me. I will be happy to help you. Maybe I have something else to tell you. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. Who knows? So right now we are 14 subscribers away from 5,000. I was thinking of giving away a free mentorship. I know that has bit me in the cheeks before. I've also thought about giving a huge discount to someone, whoever that is. But that also makes you need to buy something, so that's not nice. That's not nice either. I've thought about if I should give away like $500 or $50 or whatever the money price is. That also makes me go into some legal issues. I'm also like thinking we should have like a 24-hour Forex live where you just pass by. I'm live and we're just having fun. We are just out there. I haven't done a 20 or 12-hour for that matter, 24-hour stream before. Not that that is fun for anyone, but you just try. I don't know. It doesn't need to be monetary. It doesn't need to be gain, or just buy a stock and then give away the profits after a year. Gold is up now. Yeah. Good. Yeah, okay, cool, good. Great. Not that I have bought that one, but it goes at least higher. Whatever you choose, we'll be happy. Says Xavier. Yeah, cool. Gold is falling, bro. Are you selling gold as well? Yeah. So 81 to 82. Okay, maybe. What is happening on dollar at the moment then? Dollar is falling. Euro is rising. Okay. Pound dollar is continuing to rise. Okay. Still great. Can still make money on it. If you want to give away money, you can give that through crypto. Yeah, I can probably do that too. Yeah, what do you call it, bro? Yeah. So, what is kind of happening right now is that, yeah, please hit the like button. I hope I have given you some value today. So what's the need for today? Today we're gonna go daily setups tonight. That is $30 a month. Maybe that's a giveaway I should give away. Then you are going into my group and have access to videos where I go through the markets for like half an hour. It's a Zoom meeting, so you can join that one too. It's at night, so it's tonight. How many hours is it from now? 6 hours from now, give or take. Woohoo! Thank you, Xavier. So maybe that's a giveaway, by the way. But how many giveaways of that? And then for those who has been there, I have not heard about anyone losing money overall in there. The first week was fantastic. We made money left and right. Then there has been some more some ish week. Last week was a bit ish. So maybe this week is better. But yeah, most of them who has been joining from the start when I first launched it, where is actually we were supposed to be starting, where you were supposed to enter into it. Yeah, we been profitable ever since. So it's not a single service. but it's just what I think generally about the market, and then yeah, should be. I already give away a lot on YouTube. Maybe a playlist for beginners is a giveaway enough. Oh, Michael, how are you, my brother? I missed you. Thank you, Xavier. Thank you. I'm so well. How are you? I don't know why I'm went sentimental there, but you know, when you're just in the same group for a long time and you see people coming back, and you know, I love it. Guten Tag. By the way, Guten Tag. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna keep you 52. I think that's a pretty good new high on the live subscription, actually, by the way. So how many is here at the same time? So I'm not going to talk about my statistics anymore. Let us go to the moon. Let us make profits, and let the profits speak for itself. What was the profit in October, you ask? Whoops, that was a bit much. What was the total? Let me see if I can go there, and then there. That one is not so high. A bit back. It seems to this one to pull back more better for us to start buying and holding it to the moon. Aussie has 387, New Zealand dollar 317, and Euro New Zealand 400 pips, and that makes a total of 1,750. If you're looking, that's the profit we are talking about. So, at least what the plan was. So yeah, this is a profitable group. Yeah, hopefully. I'll try my best every time. So 10 more to go. Let's go. Let's go. Have a great day. See you. Sorry. See you. I need to do it again. Did I have music on? Dang it. There you go. $1,750. If you're looking into... Good.